Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. Today we're going to install the Philips Hue Smart Pendant Light. The box is really big, but don't worry, it's very lightweight. You can see the light is very well protected within its packaging and comes out easily. Here's Mom's current light in her dining room. It's a decent light, but it doesn't go with Mom's mid-century aesthetic. The first step was to turn off the power to this light before we did anything else. And as always, if you're not comfortable with electrical work, please hire a licensed electrician. We first removed the old light. Then we added the new support that came with the light fixture and held up the light to see where we needed to cut the cord. It comes with plenty of cord, so you can fit this in many different spaces. We decided on the height and put a loose knot to mark where the location would be. Then we cut the excess off and exposed the wires. We did need wire strippers to remove the insulation from the 3 wires. With this done, we connected the white, black, and ground wires to the same color ceiling wire, secured them with wire nuts, and finished the installation. With that complete, we went through the setup in the Hue app. In light setup, our new light was recognized and we gave it a name. Now we already have some Hue lights in the house, so we already have the Hue bridge set up. But if you don't have any Hue lights, you'll need to get a bridge. Now we can make the light any color temperature within the white spectrum. We can also turn it on and off in the Hue app and automate it to a schedule. This is an LED light, so it will be functional for many years to come. Mom really loves the sleek modern look of this light and can't wait to finish a mid-century modern makeover of her dining room. For more projects like this, please visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com.